Hello, in this video we want to solve this question. This question is from random variable. The question is, if x and y be two random variables with e of x equals to 3. The e of x equals to 3 means expectation of x equals to 3. E of y equals to 0. That is expectation of y is 0. E of xy equals to 5. Variance of x equals to 4, variance of y equals to 25. Find part 1 covariance between x and y. It is written as cof x comma y. This is covariance between x and y, and part 2 coefficient of correlation between x and y. Now solution. First we do this covariance between x and y, cof xy. The formula for cof xy for two random variables x and y is expectation of xy minus expectation of x into expectation of y. Now the values are given. This is exy is 5 minus ex is 3 and ey is 0. Therefore 5 minus 0, this is 5. 5 minus 3 into 0 equals to 5 minus 0 equals to 5. Therefore answer of this first part is cof xy equals to 5. Now we do the second part, the coefficient of correlation between xy, or correlation coefficient between x and y, between x and y. It is symbolically written as Rxy, and the formula is covariance xy by under root var x under root var y. Now Rxy, the correlation coefficient between x and y is covariance xy is what? 5. Then in the denominator variance of x is what? Variance of x is 2, that is under root 2, and var of y is 25, that is this will be 4, under root 4, and this is under root 2. We are taking the positive square root of variance, under root variance x. This is basically SDX, standard deviation of x, standard deviation of y. Now this is 5 by 2 into 5. 5 by 2 into 5. This is 1 by 2. This is 0.5. Therefore Rxy correlation coefficient is 0.5. This is the answer of this second part. I hope everybody understood the solution of this question. That's it for this video. Thank you.